family, it's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in the place, in your face. I'm back again. And as you already seen what we are making today, so we ain't gonna waste no time with you. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, we starting off. Let's go ahead and just season our chicken. We got some kosher salt. We're gonna use about a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So let's just season both sides of our chicken. All right, now we got our chicken seasoned. We got that taken care of. Let's go ahead and mix our batter. We have 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's get that in there. All 1/4 tablespoons onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper. Get that in there as well. We have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. That in there. And we have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's get that in there. All right, and all we're gonna do, let's just mix that up. Get everything combined. I think that's good enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on our heat, and we're gonna heat our oil to 350 to 360 degrees. So let's heat that. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put our club soda in this. And we're gonna be ready to fry. Our oil is at about 325, so let's go ahead and add our cold. You wanna make sure you add this right when you get ready to fry. Cold club soda. Or if you wanna use cold water, you can use cold water. Club soda just helps it with the bubbles and help it be more crispier, if you would want to say. As you can see, it's foaming up. That's exactly what it's gonna do when it's frying. Let's get that in there. Let's just get it mixed up. There we go. That's all you gotta do, family. You don't get stuck. Just kind of lightly tap your bowl, knock it loose, and you can get back in there. Now we can really get that mix in there. There we go. All right. And it's fine if you want to leave a little lumps in it. But this is the consistency you are looking for. Right here. That's your batter. But it is delicious. Yeah. Better than Long John Silver chicken planks, baby. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's check our oil. Let's get these babies in this hot oil. Yeah. We got it at 355. So you're just gonna make sure you well dip your chicken. Make sure it's well coated. There you go. Let any excess drip off. Just like that. There we go. Yeah. Now let's move it to the fryer. There we go, family. Just gonna lay it down. We're gonna cook it 3 minutes on each side. All right, family, it's just an example. This is our first one right here. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Yeah, now let's get us some more in here. Let's get us some more in here. So we just gonna dip it. Make sure it's well coated. And I forgot to get me some gloves, so it's all freehand today. promise you. Keep them washed. So like I say, we just gonna make sure we drain off the excess. And if you want your little crumbs, like the little crumbs, crunchy crumbs like I do, just drip a little bit like that. There you go. 3 minutes on each side. So let's get us another one in there. Be sure not to crowd your pan, because as you can see, they're gonna plump up pretty nice for you. So let's just let this one drip dry or drip drain. Let's get this one in here as well. There it is. Check and see how these babies doing. They getting there. Yeah, they getting there. Look at that. Got about another minute on that side. Oh, that one ready though. Yeah, that one ready. Let's get them turned over. There it is. Ooh, that's gonna be delicious. That's gonna be delicious. And remember, family, if you like my videos, you'll find it entertaining, knowledgeable, you learning something from it, hit the subscribe button, the like button. Go ahead and share it, send it to your peoples. If you want somebody to cook something for you, send it to them, show them. It's right here. And also make sure you check out the affiliate links at the bottom in the description for any dishes that I use in my videos. I will have affiliate links in there. And also, if you make a purchase, I will get a small commission that will help the channel, because we know how high groceries are. So that's what that is. So let's finish getting these delicious chicken planks, better than Long John Silver chicken planks. Let's get them all fried off. And we're gonna come back and we're just gonna present them. As you can see, these are our last two, family. You see how quick, how easy that was? And save your money. You ain't gotta spend your money for some dried out food, for some old food, for some half-ass made food. I'm just gonna be honest with you. That's why we do it ourselves over here. We do it ourselves over here. We get exactly what we want. And we all happy campers. You know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? Alrighty. That was another quick and easy, save your money, another copycat recipe, baby. Delicious. Delicious. Ooh. As always, family, that is it. That is all with another delicious recipe. Check us out once again. Look at that. Look at that. That's that better than Long John Silver. Copycat chicken plank recipe. Oh yeah. There it is. That boy can cook. Not the place, not your face. Till next time. It's good, baby. Yeah, it's good.